Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Ciao a tutti, benvenuti sul mio canale. Ok, today I go teach you how to pronounce for Italian. Oggi vi insegno a pronunciare in italiano. Una remember that time when we do alphabet? I tell una say like some letters where they English alphabet, the Italian one. If una look where I don't put them, and for this consonant too, I don't put C and G for a reason, because all those ones now another different game entirely, because as they pronounce them, it's different from all these ones. All these ones, as you take right time, now you go to pronounce them. Okay, so we will go into the main business. This one B. If I put A join, it will come be ba. If I B A, if I put A join, it will come be B. B and E. If I put E join, it will be B. B and O, it will be Bo. B and U, it will be Boo. Make una take note say the pronunciation they pronounce them for Italian alphabet as they pronounce Italian or not be English on, okay? So la D. If I add A join, it will be da. If I add A join, it will be de. If I add E join, it will be D. If I add O join, it will be do. If I add U join, it will be do. Okay? F. If I add A join, it will be fa. If I add A join, it will be fe. If I add E join, it will be fi. If I add O join, it will be fo. If I add U join, it will be fu. Okay? Then L. If I add A, it will be la. If I add A, it will be le. If I add E, it will be li. If I add O, it will be lo. If I add U, it will be lu. Okay? Perfect. Then M. If I add A, it will be ma. If I add A, it will be me. If I add E, it will be mi. If I add O, it will be mo. If I add U, it will be mu. Okay? Then N. If I add A, it will be na. If I add A, it will be ne. If I add E, it will be ni. If I add O, it will be no. If I add U, it will be nu. Now, we will go P. If I add A, it will be pa. A, it will be pe. If I add P to E, it will be P. If I add P to O, it will be po. If I add P to U, it will be pu. Then R. The Italo they stress the arrow. R. If I add A to R, it will be ra. If I add A to R, it will be re. If I add E to R, it will be ri. If I add O, it will be ro. If I add U, it will be ru. Okay? Then S. If I add A, it will be sa. If I add A, it will be se. If I add E, it will be si. If I add sorry. If I add O, it will be so. If I add U, it will be su. Okay? Then la T. Okay? If I add A, it will be ta. If I add A, it will be te. If I add E, it will be T. If I add O, it will be to. If I add U, it will be tu. Okay? Then vu. If I add A, it will be va. If I add A, it will be ve. If I add E, it will be vi. If I add O, it will be vo. If I add U, it will be vu. But where you they go? Okay. Then the last one, zeta. Zeta. If I add a, it go be za. If I add a, it go be z. If I add e, it go be z. If I add o, it go be zo. If I add u, it go be zu. Now, may we repeat everything again, okay? Ba, be, bi, bo, bu, da, de, di, do, du, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, la, le, li, lo, lu, ma, me, mi, mo, mu, na, ne, ni, no, nu, pa, pe, pi, po, pu, ra, re, ri, ro, ru, sa, se, si, so, su, ta, te, ti, to, tu. Okay? Va, ve, vi, vo, vu. Za, ze, zi, zo, zu. Okay? Then, now, you know what I want me we do? I want me we can use all these syllables now. Take form words. Okay? If I circle ba, na, what do you mean? Banana. If you want to write something, not go dey easy for you. Banana. Okay? If, for example, now I want to cycle another thing, now what else I'll feel cycle now? I feel cycle like da, do. What do dado? Dado now like either dies or seasoning cube, Maggi, as we they call them for Nigeria, Maggi. Okay? Apart from that, I feel still cycle another thing. Fa, me. What it be farming for Italian language? Hunger. Okay. Let's see what else we can cycle. La. I don't know, guys. So this is body. No one we learn today. Okay. Another one we feel cycle. La. Ma. What it be lama? Razor blade. Then what else? What it we feel cycle now? We feel cycle. Fi. Ne. What it be fine? End of something. For example, if you dey watch something now, the end now be fine. Or if you dey in any relationship, now if you say fine de la relazione, it means say it don't finish, no? Fine. So what else no we fit download cycle now? I say download me na novice cycle. Pa ne. What be pane for Italian language? Bread. Okay. We fix the cycle. Ra. Ro. What be raro? Something where they rare. Something where they uncommon. Okay. Then, what else we fix cycle now? Let we see. Let we cycle. Sa. No. What it be sano? It means say the thing they healthy. If Italian people tell you say sano come un pesce, that means you they as healthy as a fish. Okay? So guys, we don't come to the end of today on. I want maybe someone still on still cycle some things and I'll still go find out what it mean for Italian language. Until the next one. Watch out for me. I get many other things to bring out, okay? for now. Bye bye.